Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure to cancel Walmart Plus trial before charged or before being charged. So to cancel your Walmart Plus free trial before being charged, you must act before the trial period ends, typically within 30 days of signing up. So this cancellation can be done online, the website or the Walmart app. So open the Walmart app onto your device. After you are logged into your Walmart account, you then need to tap onto the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen. As you go to this section, what here you need to do is you just want to make sure to go ahead and select manage account or manage membership. You just want to tap the gear icon. You could go to this section and here you should be able to find, or else you could also find it right in the home page. You just want to tap onto that following page, and there you just want to make sure to go ahead and select cancel Walmart Plus at the bottom of the page and just follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation. And this way you're supposed to cancel Walmart trial before being charged. With that being said, we've completed our steps. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.